Okay, so let's review what we're doing here. This video is to help you get your classification project done. Whether you're on an iPad, iMac, or netbook, when you go to Flickr, okay, you're on 3D Game Lab, you've got the quest, click on either period 2 or period 4, it opens up the Flickr page, click on a picture you want. Let's say you want this bee, this cool flying bug. You have to click on the picture, and then when it goes to the next page, look for the 3 dots. Remember, those 3 dots are to get more options on what to do. From there, click on Download All Sizes. I know this is review. Go to Medium 500, and if you're on a Mac, just click and drag that into whatever folder it is you're working on. Okay, so you've got the pictures in a folder, whether it's on the iPad, in the photo album, or on the desktop on your iMac, or in documents on your netbook. You've got a Word document, or WordPad, or Office Squared, and I'll show what to do for the iPad later. But you're on Word here. Each page should have the title. So this is my mammals, and I've got my 3 pictures here. On these pages here, I've got birds. So I'm classifying, I'm organizing, I'm sorting these living things into groups that make sense. I need to have a rule or a reason to this because that's what I'm going to explain. But now that my document is ready, I'm going to open up a new tab here, and I'm going to go to drive.google.com. It used to be docs.google.com, but now it's Drive. So use the class accounts I told you about from G1 to G12. If you forget the password or the login, just come to me. And then you're going to click right here. This up arrow is to upload files. So you're going to click on it, choose a file, or the word files. And then you got to find your document. Now on a netbook, it's probably going to be in Documents, but on this one I put it on my desktop. And I called it classification, but please title it with your name. So if anybody, you're using a class shared account, nobody will mess with it because it's yours. It's got your name on it. They won't make a mistake. Now if you're using your own Google account, which would be great, then you can name it anything you want. Because you should be able to find it. It's your account. So my computer will convert this. So it's finishing right now, and it says converted. On the iMacs, it doesn't convert it. So what you have to do is this. Click here to select your new document, and then you're going to go to More, and you're going to go to Open With, and you're going to open it with Google Docs, not Google Viewer. If you open it with Google Docs, then you'll be exactly where you want to be, and you'll have it exactly how you need this. You've got your menus here. You've got all sorts of editing tools. You've got the share over here. It's always a good practice whenever you're doing a Google document for science to share it with me. On the share feature, you can make it private so nobody sees it except the person you're sharing with. You've got choices to make it so that anyone with the link can see it. Since we're going to publish it on the web for your blog, it's going to be semi-private, but also we want people to go to your blog, to see it. After all, we're sharing what we're learning, we're sharing the work we're doing. So you can where it says private only access, if you click on change, public on web, anyone with link is a good choice. No sign-in required. But when you choose that one, make sure you leave it can view, because look, the other choice is can comment, can edit. No, you don't want everybody editing your work, just viewing. Now, if you share with me and you put can comment, then if I need to give you some feedback, I can comment right on your document. So with me, it's a good idea to give me that privilege. And here's where you add me. You put in Al_Gonzalez at csd49.org, and you got me taken care of. So that's a good plan. But here's what we want to do now. Even if your document's not ready, let's put it on your blog just to get it there, and then you can still work on it on Google Docs. You're going to go to File, Publish to the Web. Leave this unchecked. You don't want people to have to sign in, or else it won't show on your blog. But this one has to be checked. You want it to automatically publish when you make changes. Then you click on Start Publishing, and you say, okay, it's asking you, are you sure? Because you know you're going to publish. And then we're going to click here where it says Embed Code and copy it. You can do Edit Copy or Command C or Control C, depending on which machine you're on, and then close. Now let's go to the blog here, and let's sign into our blog account. Just want to show you what it's going to look like when you sign in and embed it. Now those of you that have done YouTuber, you're familiar with copying and pasting embed code. It's really a good skill to have, copying and pasting. It's necessary in this technology age we live in. It's kind of a minimum skill. So I'm going to find my account here, click on it, and then I'm going to log in. So go to Articles, and if you've already started writing your story for your character, you just find your blog down here. Hopefully you don't request publishing until you're done, but you save article frequently because that way you don't lose any work. You can call it, classification, World of Warcraft, whatever title best makes sense to you. And I'm just going to paste my code right there. Now I'm going to add another step here. Please do this because I found that it helps people actually see your Google document. Right here where it says HTTPS, get rid of the S. Just the S, nothing else. But if you get rid of that S, it takes away that security that blocks some people from seeing it. Then go to Assignments, choose Classifying Living Things, and then if you're done, request publishing. If not, don't request publishing, but save article, and here it is. I can click on it, keep working on it the next day. It's there so I can answer the questions, share my research, find out how I compared to scientists. That's it. Those are the steps to do that. And then once I've got it published, I can go back to my Google Doc, and if I make a change, it'll automatically fix it on my blog. It's brilliant. So there you go. Good luck finishing this project. I can't wait to see what you get.